Are you ready to witness unprecedented power? Today, we will explore the most modern, fastest, and most efficient wood splitting machines on the market. From advanced hydraulic technology to intelligent automation systems, these machines will leave you in awe. Get ready to witness a revolution in the wood industry. Intelligent design combining conveyor belt and electric saw. The wood splitting process becomes automated and fast. Large logs turn into many small, uniform pieces of firewood. The machine's processing capacity is truly extraordinary. Join these two men as they operate this powerful wood splitter with great skill and experience. In no time at all, the large log is split into small pieces very easily and smoothly. This is a very modern and powerful splitter. With this machine, preparing firewood for the winter will be easier than ever before. Integrated with a giant circular saw blade, this is a formidable wood splitter, folks. The powerful hydraulic system pushes the wood into the saw blade, creating uniform pieces of firewood in an instant. The smart design makes the wood splitting process easy and efficient. Just place the log in, and the machine will automatically cut and split it into perfect pieces of firewood. Impressive capacity allows for quick processing of even large logs. This is unique design with high-speed rotating drill bit. This splitter is a formidable competitor in terms of performance on the market. Wood pieces inserted in an instant are split into smaller pieces. Very impressive with this excellent splitter. Advanced technology combined with mechanical power, creating an amazingly efficient wood splitting machine. With the highly flexible and exciting chainsaw cutting machine, this is a job well worth trying, folks. This system even has cables to pull an entire long tree into the splitter. Very impressive. Wood splitter with powerful hydraulic push system, pushing logs into the splitting frame to create uniform firewood pieces in an instant. Advanced technology helps increase efficiency. Smart design allows for easy handling of large trees. It's truly an amazing machine. This is a vertical log splitter that saves space and can split logs taller than half a person. Connected to the tractor's engine power, this splitter is truly powerful. The powerful hydraulic system pushes the log into the splitting frame, creating uniform pieces of firewood in an instant. With its smart design, This splitter is an ideal tool for those who need to prepare large quantities of firewood. The perfect combination of saw blade and hydraulic system creates a top-notch wood splitting machine. Efficiency and speed are its outstanding advantages. The powerful hydraulic push system gently guides the wood into the splitting frame. The result is uniform pieces of firewood in just seconds. The sophisticated design optimizes the wood splitting process. The machine operates smoothly, quickly, and with absolute safety for the user. It's fascinating to watch this machine work. The powerful hydraulic system splits wood in a flash. In just seconds, large logs are transformed into small, neat pieces of firewood. It's amazing. This wood splitter is truly an impressive invention. It saves us a lot of time and effort. Look at the power of this Timberwolf TW 7-log splitter. The huge red oak log is pushed into the splitting frame as easily as butter. In the blink of an eye, neat and even pieces of firewood have appeared. It's amazing how technology makes heavy work so much easier. Oak firewood is the most beautiful of all. Do you agree with this? Please share your opinion. This is a modern log splitter with a flexible splitting blade that can adapt to various wood sizes. Powerful hydraulic technology allows the machine to process wood easily, creating uniform pieces of firewood. It's great that technology helps us save time and effort in our daily work. The Weber-Cliven wood splitter is truly impressive. The powerful hydraulic system pushes the log into the splitting frame with ease. In an instant, uniform pieces of firewood appear. Advanced technology helps save time and effort. Weber-Cliven is the ideal tool for preparing firewood for the winter season. It's no wonder that oak wood is renowned for producing the most beautiful firewood. The log looks stunning, and the split firewood pieces are equally impressive. This is a large log that requires a very powerful splitting machine to conquer it. The wood splitter with its powerful hydraulic push system. The uniform firewood pieces are created very smoothly, demonstrating the impressive power of the machine. The wood splitting process is quick and efficient. Powerful hydraulic technology creates wonders. Large logs are split into small, even pieces. Eigenboss Sagespalter, an amazing machine. Its power and precision turn with splitting into child's play. This is the power of technology, helping humans handle work truly efficiently and smoothly. With this standing wood splitter in the garden, you can prepare firewood for an entire winter without worry. The impressive power of the machine turns hard logs into firewood in an instant, saving time and effort. Safe and efficient, this machine is a reliable companion for every family during the cold winter season. Want to see more interesting content like this? Please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to join our amazing community. See you in the next video.